Development 1. Digital Power Network champions crypto mining's role in U.S. energy strategy. The cryptocurrency mining landscape in the U.S. is on the brink of significant change, with the introduction of the Digital Power Network, DPN. Joining forces as the newest associate of the Chamber of Digital Commerce, DPN embodies the aspirations of the crypto mining community, aspiring to shape energy policies favorable to the sector. Built on the Chamber's mining initiative legacy, DPN isn't just another new kid on the block. It commences with a robust membership comprising Argo, Bit Digital, Bitfarms, CoinMint, Cipher Mining, and several other mining powerhouses. Together, they represent over 50% of the Bitcoin hash rate in the US, reflecting the alliance's potential impact. Behind DPN's inception, Congressman Pete Sessions of Texas stands out as a remarkable advocate. He is credited with the U.S. House of Representatives' inaugural Pro-Proof of Work resolution, signifying the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency and its mining in mainstream governance. Notably, Sessions has been vocal about the potential of Bitcoin mining in rejuvenating America's energy sovereignty. However, DPN's voyage is set against a backdrop of regulatory apprehensions. A proposed EPA-led examination into crypto mining practices and a debated 30% tax on miners' electricity consumption in the Biden administration's FY 2024 budget draft underscores the pressing challenges ahead. DPN isn't just relying on its affiliation with the Chamber to fortify its position. It aligns itself with the Digital Energy Council, a formidable entity in policy advocacy steered by energy policy expert Thomas Mapes. Development 2. With its security under scrutiny, OpenAI is recruiting a cybersecurity red team. OpenAI is taking steps to enhance the security of its widely used AI chatbot by enlisting external cybersecurity and penetration experts, commonly referred to as red teams, to uncover potential vulnerabilities in the AI platform. The organization is actively seeking professionals with expertise spanning diverse fields, including cognitive and computer science, economics, healthcare, and cybersecurity. OpenAI's overarching goal is to elevate the safety and ethical standards of AI models. This initiative coincides with the U.S. Federal Trade Commission's launch of an investigation into OpenAI's data handling and security practices, as well as mounting concerns from policymakers and corporations regarding the safety of ChatGPT. Stephen Walbroll, co-founder and CISO of Hallborn, described the effort as crowdsourcing volunteers to engage in cybersecurity assessments. He emphasized that it presents networking opportunities and a chance to be at the forefront of emerging technology, given that top-tier hackers often gravitate toward testing cutting-edge tech. To incentivize participation, OpenAI is offering compensation to Red Team members, irrespective of their prior experience with AI, as long as they bring diverse perspectives to the table. OpenAI's call for participation extends beyond the Red Team network, encompassing opportunities to contribute to AI safety. This includes the creation and execution of safety evaluations on AI systems and the analysis of results. While OpenAI gained substantial public attention with the launch of ChatGPT and GPT-4, the adoption of generative AI has raised concerns about bias, racism, misinformation, and data privacy. Some nations, including Italy, Russia, China, North Korea, Cuba, Iran, and Syria, have imposed bans on ChatGPT usage within their borders due to these concerns. The Red Team program is part of OpenAI's broader strategy to engage top-notch security professionals in evaluating its technology. The company previously allocated $1 million for cybersecurity initiatives leveraging artificial intelligence. OpenAI emphasizes that researchers involved in these assessments are not precluded from publishing their findings or pursuing other opportunities, but they should be prepared for potential non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, or confidentiality requirements associated with red teaming and related projects. The organization encourages innovative and experimental approaches to evaluating AI systems and invites contributors to share their evaluations with the broader AI community through the open source eVals repository. Development 3. What the next Fed meeting could mean for Bitcoin. The upcoming policy interest rate announcement by the Federal Open Markets Committee, FOMC, scheduled for Wednesday, is widely expected by analysts to remain unchanged, and this is considered the prudent course of action. Market sentiment, as indicated by the CME FedWatch tool, strongly leans towards a 99% probability of the interest rate remaining steady on Wednesday. If this scenario unfolds, it is likely to have a positive impact on Bitcoin, BTC. Historically, Bitcoin's price has shown a correlation with risk assets and central bank policies. When the broader economic environment enjoys favorable credit conditions, Bitcoin tends to see price increases, and conversely, when conditions tighten, Bitcoin's performance can be less robust. Wharton Finance professor Jeremy Siegel shared his perspective in an interview with CNBC, emphasizing that, in the current political climate, the Federal Reserve should refrain from raising interest rates. He cautioned that any further rate hikes might have severe repercussions, potentially leading to a significant increase in unemployment and only marginally impacting core inflation. This stance marks a notable departure from Siegel's position in March of the previous year when he advocated for rate hikes to defend the dollar, a time when the Federal Reserve was in the early stages of its hiking cycle. Considering the current strength of the economy, Siegel believes that the stock market could remain robust for the coming months, stating that there might be a strong equity market performance through the end of the year. Bitcoin experienced a substantial surge in value from March 2020 to early 2021 following the Federal Reserve's decision to lower its benchmark interest rate to 0.25%. Crypto analyst Sam Agderberg, known as Crypto Rover on Twitter, believes that a decision to maintain a 0% rate increase tomorrow, Wednesday, September 20, 2023 could be bullish for Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve altered its course in 2019, implementing 3 interest rate cuts in response to a global economic slowdown. This pivot was instrumental in averting a recession during that period.